Hey everybody, how you doing? We're gonna do an unboxing right here. Of a SV401. It's a spot and scope by SVBONY SVBONY. Man, I think this is a 60 by 80 for spot and scope for looking at wildlife. Spot and scope for hunting or anything, looking at the moon. Anything you want to do with it. Yeah, I mean, to get to the beach, look at the whales or the porpoises or schools of fish or any, awesome. Waterproof, nitrogen filled, all that good stuff. So we're gonna do an unboxing and a little review and see how it goes. All right, let's check it out. But right now, here's where it came shipped. Okay, now we're gonna unbox it. All right, now hold tight. Well, we're gonna take the packaging off. All right, here we go. Okay, everybody, it came in nice packaging, for in case, waterproof, in case you get when during shipping you got caught in a storm or bad weather, inclement weather. But yeah, I don't know what this is yet, but we'll find out. And this is the spot and scope, all that good stuff. So we're going to take the packaging off, the exterior packaging, and we'll go from there. All right. Okay, y'all, we're back. And right now, we have a smartphone adapter that fits on the scope to where you can take pictures or do video of your wildlife or whatever you want to take whatever you want to zoom in and take pictures of. And that is cool. That is really cool. And here's your SV401 spot and scope. So let's check this puppy out. Man, I'm excited. I did another video for him a while back. That was a different version. This will be on my product reviews. And this is a really great company. Really good quality stuff. Affordable too. And the quality is unreal. All right. Oh wow. Cased and all. Woo-wee. That is nice. All right. Get the box out of the way. And while we're doing it, we'll unbox the little adapter. Oh yeah, that is nice. Let's make sure there's no instructions in here. Sure is instructions. Gotta have those. Okay, we got instructions. And check out the package. And put the package in here. We'll put that in recycling here shortly. But yeah, that's a nice adapter. Put your cell phone on there and then you hook it to your scope and then bam, you got it. Man, good construction. Nice. All right, now we're good to open this up. Put this in the box for recycling. All right. Oh, we got instructions. Woo. And this is for the SVBONY 401, and just shows you what you videotape with it and all that good stuff. All right, let's go ahead and get it unzip. Not really nice carrying cases. You put this on your shoulder. And when you're going bird watching or going out to the field or whichever. Oh gosh, this is so nice. This is the tripod right here. That's a nice tripod. Cleaning cloth And right here you got a double layer. One side for the tripod, clean cloth, and the other side for the spot and scope. Bear with me. Okay, let's go ahead and pause this, and we'll go to taking the packaging off. Okay, folks, we got it all unwrapped, and we got to put it on the tripod. It's a super nice scope, and this is an adjustment here because it's the swivel base up underneath. That's really nice. Yep. And I got the tripod hooked up to the bottom, and it's got nice scope covers, eyepiece cover, your front objective cover. It's really nice. All right, let's go ahead and give it a shot, and we'll hook my phone to it. And this just goes around the base like this. Excuse me. Around the base like this, and then you can get what you got to have. All right. And this you can adjust. So you can do this with the scope. And you know, you can adjust where you want. And you just tighten down on it. All right, let's take her outdoors and see what she does. All right. Well, we'll get off. But it comes with this, the SV401 SVBONY. And I hope I'm pronouncing it all right, but SVBONY. Or SVBONY, or SVBONY, or SVBONY. I'll just call it SVBONY. But anyway, it comes with all this. I mean, that is nice. Really nice. Yeah. All right. But that's all it comes with. Let's go check her out. Okay, folks. I gotta make a correction here. This is a 20 by 60 by 80 millimeter. I'm sorry about that. 20 by 60 by 80 millimeter. And as I say, just a correction, 20 by 60 by 80 millimeter. But it's bad. It's bad to the bone. And it's feel like it's rubberized. Really nice coating on it. And well, we're gonna see what we can see. It's a bright sunny day today, as y'all can see. And let's see what we can do. Okay, y'all. That is the moon right there we're looking at. This is during the daylight. And it is only, well, it is on 60, it's on 60 power. No, it's only 20 power. Let's crank it up to 60. Whoop, gotta readjust it. But that's on 20 power. That's the moon during the day. Okay, hold up, let me adjust it on 60. Okay, folks, again, that's the moon. That's at 20 power. When I go up to 60, it's really hard. I mean, you can do it with the software, but I think it'd be easier at night. But that's during the day, and that is pretty good. Let me adjust it just a hair, get it in the center. Come on, wait. There we go. But that's really clear. Oops, lost it. There we go. All right, let's go to something else. Look at it. All right, there are my wind turbines at 20 power. Oops, sorry about that. And we'll go over here a little bit. That's the other wind turbine at 20 power. But I'm telling y'all, this is crystal clear. I mean, you can adjust it in the front half. I mean, yeah, you can see all the dirt on the turbine blades. Let's get another look at the other one. There we go. WinMax, 1000 watt, 24 volts. But yeah, I mean, it's a great device. Let's see, let's check out a pine cone. All right, ready? We'll go to the top of this tree over here. Better yet, let me see here. Let me see what we can look at. Well, anyway, it's up in the trees, pine cones. If I try to turn it up, the power, it's still coming in. Wow. But you gotta remember, this is a cell phone now, smartphone. I gotta do some adjusting. Better or worse? Worse. And that much power. There you go. It's 60 power. And you can see every little nook and cranny in that pine cone. Sorry it's so shaky, but that's not me. That's just whoop. But there's another one. Okay. Yeah, it was me a little bit. Sorry. I think everybody. Okay, there you go. That's a pine cone and a stick. And that's clear. That's a 60 power. I'll zoom it back out to 20. That's nice. That's really nice. I don't see any wildlife right now, y'all. If I did, I would definitely share it with y'all. So many leaves on the trees this time of year. It's hard to catch any birds. I see a bird. All right, it's kind of hard to. I can't focus over that way. But anyway, y'all get the picture. But anyway, hey, let me get this apparatus off my phone, the smartphone holder, to the All right, here's the holder right here that holds your smartphone on there, and any which way you want, shape or form you want to try it in. That's the way I had it, but I got 20 power now. It's a 20 by 60 by 80 millimeter, and it's nice. It is really nice. Great bang for the buck. If you want to look at the moon at night or film it or just take pictures, it's a great thing to have. Whoop. Turn the wrong thing here. Bear with me. I'll just turn that way. But there we go. Here she is. But I hope y'all like it, the video. There's the lens on it. The front objective. And your eyepiece. Right here. It's really simple to use to adjust anything you want to do. Great product for the money. Great product. Alright. Well, hey y'all, I got my CNI glasses at home. Sorry about that. Yeah, y'all. Awesome video. I mean, great products for money. Hard to beat. If you're getting it, starting into something and you want to try it out, good stuff. And I want to thank y'all for watching. And thank you SVBONY, or SVBONY, for sending me the spot scopes. And y'all have a good one now. Thank you very much. God bless, simplify, please subscribe. Hoorah. Y'all have a good one now. Bye-bye.